Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create these Dutch braids with curved cornrows. Start with the parting your hair. First I create the middle parting that starts from the front and continues all the way down to the back. Then I will part the curvy parting that is about the triangle shape from the top for the cornrows, and after that I share this side piece, total of 3 sections, one for each braid. I put 2 others away and start from the topmost. I take small amount of hair from the corner, separate that in 3 pieces, and then I start to braid the Dutch braid, bringing strands from side under to the middle. For this braid I add hair only from the one side, so every time I'm on the left side I add hair, but small exception on the beginning when I want to get faster all the strands on the same size. After first adding to each strand, the size of the strand doesn't grow as much after each adding, so from now on I add hair only from the left side of the braid. So right under, no adding, left under, add some hair, right under, left under, add hair, right under, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating this until you added all the hair from this section inside the braid. Now I will braid the next piece exactly the same way, adding hair only from the left side and bringing the both strands from side alternately under to the middle. Once all 3 braids are created, I move to the other side. I don't take exactly the similar amount of hair, but about something like that, and this time I add hairpiece only in 2 sections. On this side I create the similar braids but as a mirror, so also this time I take 3 strands of hair from the corner, and then I start to braid like a Dutch braid. This time I add hair only from the right side, except the first few stitches when I add also from the other side to make the braids grow more neater. So right under, add some hair, left under, no addings, right under, add hair, left under, right under, add hair, left under, right under, add hair. Continue in this way. Now when I've created the cornrows on top, I move to the pigtails. First I spray some water and then I take 3 strands from the front and start to braid like a Dutch braid. This time I add hair alternately from both sides. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. And so go on. In this braid style, the cornrows turn pretty easily and naturally towards the bigger Dutch braid, so once you meet them on back, just add them inside the braid once at a time. Once you've finished the first braid, all you need to do is repeat the same to the other side and add the cornrows in. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you would like to see more hairstyles, you might like to see my Instagram account where I post daily photos of my hair. But anyway, thanks for watching and happy braiding!